Self-driving cars and drones. Self-driving cars and drones have been in development for several years, and they have the potential to revolutionize transportation. With self-driving cars, individuals could potentially relax and let the car drive itself, making it easier and more convenient to travel. Not only can self-driving cars reduce the amount of human error that causes traffic accidents, but they can also potentially reduce the number of cars on the road. Similarly, self-driving drones can be used for various purposes such as delivery, search and rescue, and even as a form of public transportation. With the help of AI and advanced sensors, these drones can safely and efficiently navigate through the air, avoiding obstacles and delivering goods to their intended destinations. Quantum computing. Quantum computing is an incredibly powerful technology that has the potential to solve problems that are currently unsolvable by classical computers. By using quantum bits, qubits, instead of classical bits, quantum computers can process information at an unprecedented speed. With quantum computing, we can create highly secure communication systems, develop new drugs, and simulate complex chemical reactions, among many other applications. While quantum computers are still in their early stages, researchers are working hard to bring this technology to the mainstream. Nanorobots for targeted drug delivery. Nanorobots are tiny robots that can navigate through the human body to deliver drugs to specific cells or organs. This technology can greatly improve the efficacy of treatments while reducing side effects. For example, cancer drugs delivered by nanorobots can target cancer cells more specifically, reducing the impact of chemotherapy on healthy cells. While nanorobots are still in the research stage, scientists are optimistic about their potential to revolutionize medicine. Brain-computer interfaces for enhanced human intelligence and communication. Brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, allow us to control devices using our thoughts. They can also be used to communicate with others or even to enhance cognitive abilities. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology and each other. For example, BCIs can be used to control prosthetic limbs, allowing individuals with disabilities to have greater independence. They can also be used to control robots and drones, making them more efficient and versatile. Invisibility cloaks and materials. Invisibility cloaks may sound like something out of science fiction, but they are becoming closer to reality. Scientists are developing materials that can bend light around an object, making it invisible. This technology has many applications, including military stealth technology and even in the entertainment industry. While invisibility cloaks are still in the experimental phase, researchers are excited about their potential to change the way we think about optics and materials science. 3D printing of human organs for transplant. With the ability to 3D print human organs, the need for organ donors could potentially be eliminated. This technology could save countless lives and transform the medical industry. By using a patient's own cells to print an organ, the risk of organ rejection could be greatly reduced. While 3D printed organs are still in the experimental stage, researchers are making progress in developing this technology. Artificial intelligence-powered personal assistants. Personal assistants powered by artificial intelligence, AI, can help us manage our daily lives, from scheduling appointments to making online purchases. They can also learn our habits and preferences over time, making them more efficient and personalized. As AI technology continues to improve, personal assistants are becoming more advanced, able to anticipate our needs and make recommendations based on our past behavior. Biodegradable plastics and materials. As the world becomes more aware of the impact of plastic on the environment, the need for biodegradable plastics and materials becomes more important. Biodegradable plastics and materials have the potential to significantly reduce the amount of waste in landfills and oceans. These materials can be made from renewable resources such as plant-based materials, making them a more sustainable alternative to traditional plastics. As more companies and industries adopt biodegradable materials, we can make a significant impact in reducing our environmental footprint. Virtual and augmented reality for immersive experiences. Virtual and augmented reality, VR, AR, technology allows us to experience a whole new level of immersion in digital environments. From gaming to education, VR, AR technology can transport us to new worlds and enhance our learning and understanding of complex concepts. With the development of more advanced VR/AR technology, the possibilities for immersive experiences are endless. Energy storage solutions. Energy storage solutions, such as batteries and other forms of energy storage, are critical for renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power. By storing excess energy, we can ensure a more consistent and reliable energy supply, even when the sun isn't shining or the wind isn't blowing. As the world moves towards more sustainable and renewable energy sources, the need for reliable energy storage solutions becomes increasingly important. In conclusion, these 10 inventions have the potential to transform our world in incredible ways. From transportation to medicine, technology is rapidly advancing and changing the way we live our lives. While some of these inventions are still in the experimental phase, researchers are making significant progress towards bringing them to the mainstream. As we continue to develop and improve these technologies, we can look forward to a more innovative and exciting future.